Have you ever wondered how people are getting high-speed internet even in the middle of a desert, up in a remote mountain village, or out on the open sea? That's the magic of Starlink, Elon Musk's satellite internet project that's actually changing the way we get online. In this video, I'll break down how Starlink works, why everyone's talking about it, and whether it really is the future of the internet. Let's dive in. First things first, what is Starlink? It's a project by SpaceX, which is Elon Musk's space exploration company. The big idea? To provide high-speed internet to every corner of the globe, using thousands of small satellites that orbit above the Earth. Now, compare that to traditional internet, which relies on fiber optic cables and cell towers. Laying cables is expensive, and honestly sometimes just impossible in far-off places. With Starlink, your internet literally comes from space. No cables, no digging, just a clear view of the sky. So how does it work? Here's the simple version. SpaceX launches these small satellites into low Earth orbit, about 550 kilometers up. These satellites form a massive constellation. There are over 6,000 up there right now, and they're adding more every month. If you want Starlink, you get a special satellite dish. They call it Dishy. This dish connects to the satellites overhead, which then send your data to ground stations plugged into the global internet. So, whether you're in the middle of nowhere or just tired of unreliable connections, you can get fast internet, straight from space. But what makes Starlink so impressive? For starters, global coverage. You can get online in rural areas, on a boat, even while driving your RV. Speeds? We're talking up to 100, 200 megabits per second, sometimes more. And setup is easy. Just plug in the dish. No need to run cables down the street or dig up your garden. Of course it's not perfect. You'll need a clear view of the sky. Trees or high buildings can mess with your signal. In really crowded areas, like big cities, speeds can slow down when too many people hop on at once. The kit isn't cheap, about $599 up front, and around $120 a month as of 2025. Plus, thousands of satellites mean more space traffic to manage, which is a real concern for scientists. So, is Starlink the future of the internet? I'd say it's a huge part of it. For millions who never had reliable service, it's a complete game changer, finally bridging that digital divide. In cities with fast fiber, Starlink won't replace your current setup anytime soon. But it does prove what's possible when you mix space tech with a bit of ambition. The sky isn't the limit anymore, it's just the starting point. So, what do you think about Starlink? Would you give it a go? Let me know in the comments.